So you want to make a red concrete candle jar, but every colorant you use doesn't turn out to be as red as you had hoped. Don't worry, I had the red color just for you. The best part, you don't have to seal your concrete candle jar ever. Let's go. Hi, my name is Jay Catalano. Red is one of those colors that I get asked about all the time. The problem is I haven't been completely satisfied with my results, and so I couldn't recommend anything with full confidence. However, that all changed when Nancy over at Earth Safe Finishes came out with a red pigment. I'll show you that a bit later, but it's so awesome, it will forever, how shall I say, cement your love for red? The first thing you're going to want to do is make yourself a concrete candle jar, or if you prefer, a Hydrostone candle jar. You're not going to want to mix it with any colorant. Keep it plain, keep it raw, keep it real. Once complete, let it cure for however long it takes you to cure a concrete or Hydrostone candle jar. For me, it's usually 3 days for Cement All Creations and 2 days for Hydrostone Creations. Now, don't go following my curing time frame. Do what cures best for you. The last thing I need is for you to be writing to me, Jay, I followed your curing method and it failed miserably. You suck. Anyway, after your jars are fully cured, you're going to grab your red pigment from Earth Safe Finishes. Link to the product is in the description, and you're going to do one of two things. You can either paint it on or you can dip it. I'll show you both and then tell you what I prefer after. The first vessel I will dip. Usually I let a vessel swirl around for about 30 seconds to a minute so that the porous concrete soaks up the red nice and good. However, you can also paint it on, which is actually the method I prefer. Why? Have you seen my videos? My hands are flying all over the place and I'm so animated that sometimes it's tough for me to be clean in my dipping process. On top of that, I am an impatient person, so it makes it challenging for me to dip and wait for 30 seconds and then dip and wait for 30 seconds and then dip. So I prefer to paint it on. However, like I said before, you can dip it too. It's thin enough that it can be dipped without any waste. Then, once complete, you let it dry for about a half hour to an hour and then do it again. I'll explain why you'll want to do it again in just a second. And once you finish your second coat, leave it to dry for 48 hours and then you're ready to add a wick, wax, and fragrance oil. You don't need to seal it. Why? Because this is Earth Safe Finishes new colored dip sealer royal red. It's both a colorant and a sealer all in one. Yes, that's right. You get the best of both worlds from Nancy's new product. That's why you need to add a second coat. A second coat ensures that the sealant protects the candle jar from anything leaking out and penetrating back in. Once 48 hours has passed and it's fully cured, you can finish up making your candle. Take a look at my candle I made using Earth Safe Finishes Color Dip Sealer. Isn't it awesome? And guess what? It comes in green too. Red, green, holiday candles. Links to any of these products are down in the description. Check them out. I guarantee you, you're not going to be disappointed. And take a look at these videos that are popping up now. They're going to help you on your concrete, Hydrostone, and candle making journey. Until next time, thanks for watching. Ciao.